Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually set up your Shopify account in Netherlands. Now, the global commerce platform Shopify.com is a very unique platform, guys. You can build your business, you can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between, but you need to understand exactly how to sell and what kind of strategy you need to actually implement, execute, and scale at the same time. And that is the reason why we have developed amazing videos which are available on our channel. You can head over there and check them out. In today's video, we're going to go in great detail and talk about the different strategies that you can implement to scale your business and develop your business model in Netherlands, and discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. What we have done is that we have done an analysis, we have understood and gone in great detail to discover the different ways and methodologies that are available in which we can find the right product and put them on our Shopify account. And if you're selling products from Netherlands, then this is definitely a video for you guys. So head over there and check our rest of the videos out to find out what kind of products you need to get. But the methodology that you need to have to create your account in Netherlands is what we're going to focus on, with millions of merchants available worldwide and available in 170 countries, with 10% of total US e-commerce business and a global economic activity of $444 billion. This is truly an opportunity of a lifetime, guys. And one of the reasons why I personally love Shopify is the fact that you can bring your vision to life, and with their simple drag and drop store, you can create amazing websites and you don't need any coding expertise whatsoever. So you can decrease the cost. Instead of hiring expensive front-end, back-end developers, you can do everything yourself by selecting from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. You can even add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. You can sell to every buyer everywhere across the globe, guys. So you'd be sitting in Netherlands, you can sell to someone in South Africa, in Argentina, in China, in Japan, in the US, in the UK, or even in Canada. And the beauty of it is the fact that they have all the marketing tools and social integrations available, so we can focus on developing the business. From the best converting checkout on the planet, guys, you can back your business with ShopPay and the one-click checkout that built to connect, and with the flexible point of sale to power your retail store. A point of sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line. And obviously you can find new shoppers with the SEO and social media and content marketing, and build the custom email campaigns and set automations to serve every segment, and take control of the customer data to build custom audience and explore the customer insight that drive ongoing growth. And guys, one of the major things that you need to understand, that obviously the data is one of the most important elements in today's time and period. Back in the day, they used to have gold, they used to have coal, they used to have diamonds, they used to have oil, and they used to actually mine all of that. Now data is the cornerstone upon which everything is working. And obviously the more data that you have, the better position that you're going to be to ensure that you can scale your business and get the right results from it. You can stream your back office as well and manage all your inventory, track your payments, and view real-time business insights all in one place. So you can focus on building your business to get the products where they need to be, with the integrated inventory management, streamlined returns, and a dedicated methodology that is available, and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment network. You can manage your business finances all from one place, with the money management and flexible funding designs with entrepreneurs in mind. Now, if you don't have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry. All you need to do is click on the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. If you don't do that, you can always click on start the free trial over here and it'll take you to the next page. On this page, guys, you'll be asked a couple of questions. The first one is, which of these best describes you? Are you just starting or you're selling online as well? And this will help Shopify to set up based on the business needs that you have. We're going to go with the fact that I'm just starting. And after that, they'll ask the questions, where would you like to sell? You can pick as many as you like, guys, as you can change these later. So we're going to go with an online store, social media, in-person, existing website, online marketplace. So we're going to sell in all these places. All you need to do is hit next and then select the channel that you're going to sell in. So we're going to do Facebook and Instagram, hit next. And obviously we're going to put the Google and Amazon as well at the same time, hit next. And then you have to select the name, guys. Now this is a name that you need to keep in mind that needs to be very unique. And I always mention to individuals to make sure that they do their research and they go in great detail in actually understanding what kind of name they want to select, and look at the competition. And obviously once you understand what the competition is doing, only then select a name that really has that quality. Once you've done it, the most important part is selecting where the actual store is going to be. So we're making this in Netherlands, so we're going to scroll up over here and find where in the Netherlands we're going to make it. So let's select Netherlands over here. As you can see, see we have the Netherlands. So now once we selected it, they're going to ask a couple of questions, which we're going to look at is the fact that because we're not physically based in the Netherlands, so we might have some issues. So we got to make sure that we look at all these things before we actually sell anything, which I'm going to show you in a second, guys. So once you hit next, the last thing that you need to do is create a Shopify ID. You can continue with emails, you can continue with Apple, you can continue with your Facebook ID or Google. Now, I personally always go with Google because Google is very simple and easy to use. Select the email that you want to use, then sit back, relax, and wait for your actual store to get created. This is what your dashboard is going to look like, guys. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, you can have your orders, your product, your customers, analytics, marketing, and discount. If you click on orders, you'll have your draft, your abandoned checkouts. On the products, you can have your inventories, your transfer, your collections, and your gift cards. And with customers, you can actually import all the customers that you have on different platforms that you're doing dropshipping on. You have your analytics, which is going to give you a complete breakdown of the reports and live views as well as marketing, which gives you a complete understanding of what kind of elements that you need to do to make sure that you can develop amazing campaigns and automations. Then you have your online store. Now you have your themes, your blog posts, your pages, your navigation, and your preferences, guys. Now with the actual online store, they have so many themes available. You can select whatever theme that you want from their popular free themes as well. If you want to get paid themes, all you need to do is click on view the theme store and get paid themes as well. But I mentioned to individuals to always start off as low as possible and then gradually build their business. If you click on point of sale, you'll be able to see the different point of sale that is available. And obviously based on that, you can look at the staff, you can look at the locations, and you can check the settings out. Now this is the point of sale where you can see that you want to do it at marketplaces or fairs, at pop-ups, or in your own brick and mortar store. So you can actually select what you want, then obviously from there you can start moving forward. You have your buy button that you can create a buy button for a website or blog and sell your products online and to let customers check out right away by creating a buy button. So just click on this to create it. You have your Facebook and Instagram and your Google. Now the thing that you want to make sure that you check out is the settings over here. Now the setting is very crucial, guys, because we're doing it in the Netherlands. We've got to make sure that our address is in the Netherlands. Now as you can clearly see, that is correct, so we don't need to worry about that. When we scroll down, we're going to make sure that the currency is in euros, which is correct as well. After doing that, we have to check the most important part, which is the tax and duties. Now obviously every single country has different taxes, so we got to make sure that we're covering the European Union, the rest of the world, and the UK. Now if you scroll down, you're going to have the elements of charge on shipping rates, which needs to be included because including ship rates in the taxation, this is automatically calculated for Canada, European Union, and the United States. And also we have to charge VAT on the digital goods. And once that is done, all you need to do is click on save, and this is going to get saved. If you do not do that, you might be facing issues later on when you start selling product. Then you have to go to locations, and once you select locations, you got to make sure that the shop location is actually set in the Netherlands. If it's not, please make sure that you change it to the actual place. For example, in this example, we're doing Netherlands to be able to sell in Netherlands. Now once we click on markets, which is another crucial bit, is we're going to make sure that the primary market is based on the actual country, the location that we want to sell it on. So we're going to make sure that it's in the Netherlands, and it is in the Netherlands, and just click on manage to make sure all the information within it is correct, the domain is correct, the product pricing is correct, the duties is correct, and the shipping is correct, guys. So this is a simple and straightforward methodology that you can follow to set up your store in the Netherlands. And the last thing you need to do is click on policies. And once you click on policy, you're going to get this particular element over here where you can create your own store policies that customize a template, and saved policies are linked in the footers of the checkout. So you can add the policies to your online stores, and templates aren't legal advice. By using these templates, you agree that you read and agree to the terms and disclaimers. So once you click on add the term policy, you'll be taken to the different policies that are available, guys. And I always mention to individuals to make sure that they go in great detail for every single policy that is available before they move forward. Now, guys, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. And obviously, if you like the video, you should definitely subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any of the videos that we're making. And check out our channel because we've spoken about a lot of different elements that can help you develop an effective strategy to start your dropshipping business in the Netherlands. So guys, share this video with your friends and family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.